everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about feelings and emotions in Finnish. Feelings are a huge part of our lives. Whether we are happy, angry, or even nervous, we all experience different emotions every day. In Finnish, there are words for all these feelings, and today I'll share some of the most common ones with you, so you can start expressing yourself more confidently in Finnish. Feelings means tunteet. Tunne means feeling. Tunteet means feelings. Today we will talk about the following emotions: onnellisuus, happiness; surullisuus, sadness; viha, anger; pelko, fear; yllätys, surprise. Let's begin with the emotions related to happiness. Onnellinen, happy. Onnellinen is an adjective meaning happy. Describes a person that is in a state of happiness. Iloinen, joyful. Ilo is a noun which means joy. Innostunut means excited. Here, innostus is the noun which means excitement. Tyytyväinen, it means pleased. It comes from the noun tyydytys, which means satisfaction or pleased. Okay, so let me give you some example sentences. Olen onnellinen tänään means I am happy today. Tänään on iloinen päivä means today is a joyful day. Olen innostunut uudesta projektistani. I'm excited about my new project. Hän on tyytyväinen elämäänsä. He or she is pleased with their life. Now, let's talk about sadness and related emotions. Surullinen, sad. It comes from the noun surullisuus, means sadness. Hän on surullinen. He or she is sad. Masentunut means depressed. It comes from the noun masennus, depression. Hän on masentunut. He or she is depressed. Yksinäinen, lonely. It comes from the noun yksinäisyys, loneliness. Hän on yksinäinen. He or she is lonely. Sydän särkynyt, heartbroken. Hän oli sydän särkynyt. He or she was heartbroken. Now let's move on to emotions related to anger. Anger means viha. Vihainen, angry. Hän oli vihainen. He or she was angry. Ärsyntynyt, annoyed. It comes from the noun ärsytys, means annoyance. Hän on ärsyttynyt means he or she is annoyed. Turhautunut means frustrated. It comes from the noun turhautuminen, frustration. Raivostunut, furious. It comes from the noun raivo, rage. Hän oli raivostunut. He or she was furious. Let's have a look at emotions related to fear. Pelko means fear. Pelokas, fearful. Pelka, afraid. Hermostunut, nervous. Ahdistunut, anxious. It comes from the noun ahdistus. Kauhistunut, terrified. These are the emotions related to surprise. Yllätys, surprise. Se oli suuri yllätys. It was a big surprise. Hän oli yllättynyt. He was surprised. Hämmästynyt, amazed. Hän oli hämmästynyt. He or she was amazed. Besides this, let me tell you few more adjectives. Kateellinen, jealous. Inhottava, disgusting. Pettynyt, disappointed. And that's a brief overview of how to express emotions in Finnish. Remember, language is all about practice. So try using these words in your conversations to improve your Finnish skills. If you are enjoying this, please consider subscribing to my channel. See you in the next video.